In this video, we are going to study about acid, bases and salts. So let us see what actually acid, bases and salts are. Acids, substances which are sour in taste, are called acids. They turn blue litmus solution red. They give positive H ions in aqueous solution, and it is derived from a Latin word acidus, which means sour. There are two types of acid, strong acid and weak acid. Here are some examples. Bases are the substances which are bitter in taste and soapy in nature. They turn red litmus solution blue, and they also give negative OH ions in aqueous solution. Like acids, bases are also of two types. Here are some examples. Salts are the compounds formed by reaction of acid and base.
So this is a pH paper. pH paper was invented by a Danish chemist, Søren Sørensen. In 1909, Sørensen, a Danish chemist, introduced the concept of pH as a convenient way of expressing acidity. In our experiments, we will take pH paper as an indicator. We will see that when we dip pH paper into any solution and it changes into red color, then that will be considered as an acid. And if it changes in blue color, then that will be considered as a base. Now, we'll prove it through some experiments.
The teacher, today I'm gonna show you the acid and base has been defined by the litmus paper or pH paper, we may say. So first I will take some water and I will show you that it has not been mixed with anything. See, no color change in pH paper. This pH paper has been made by the China rose. So first we will take pH water in both the cups, a little amount of water. Soap for making the soapy water. That's it. And vinegar for, we will take a little amount of vinegar and mix it well in the water. Now we will see that is it base or acid, or is it base or acid. So first we will see to it. It is acidic. See, as the color has been changed into red. Second litmus paper. It has been changed into bluish greenish color, so means it's base. Thank you. So let's proceed to the next experiment.
So friends, let's do our next activity. In this experiment, we have taken this lemon and baking soda. So test that which is acidic in nature and which is basic in nature. First we will put some water in this container. As we have taken our 2 litmus paper. As we have nothing mixed in water, as you can see. Now we will put this lemon juice in this water and baking soda in this. Very well. Now we will test by using this litmus paper. As you can see that litmus paper is converted into red. It means it is acidic in nature. Let's test baking soda. You can see it is converted into blue. It means it's basic in nature.
Experiment, we will take the water again, but I will also show you that nothing is mixed in the water. you may see. So now first we will take a little amount of water in both the bowls. So in first I will take tomato puree in one bowl, and I don't know that it is basic or acidic. I will mix it. You may see the color has been taken. So for the next one I will take detergent. The color is there, you may see. So first we will see that is it basic or acidic. You may see it changed into the red color. It means it's acidic. And we will see this, that is it basic or acidic. You all may see the color has been taken by the greenish blue color. It means it is basic.